Welcome guys, in this video I am going to install Tableau. So you have to search first of all in Google Chrome tableau.com, and then the website of this is open here, and you have to search the website first here. So when you search it, and you have to see the interface here has been open. So guys, remember one thing, only tableau.public is free for us, we can access, but public.desktop is we cannot access. So first we have to go on products, and there is different types of products of Tableau here present here. So we want only Tableau public, so click here for Tableau public. When we click this Tableau public, the interface of the Tableau public has been open, and you can see the option here is given is click go to Tableau public. So click here, and the Tableau public has been opened. Now the next option given here is download the app. So when we click this, so let's see what's happened. When you click download the app option, the Tableau official interface has been opened, and you can download here. So click the download app. So first of all, you have to enter your some data, your name and your first name and your last name. So I'm filling my data, so you should also be fill your data, and so that's why you can download. So let's see, I'm entering my name Muhammad Wali. So and the next Muhammad, and then the last name is Wali, and the next step is enter your email. I'm entering my email, and you can also enter your own mail. So the next step, and enter your country, choose your country. So my country name is Pakistan, so I am choosing Pakistan, and you can also choose your country. So I'm choosing Pakistan, and now you can click download the app. When you click this button, the downloading of Tableau is starting. So now you can see in the leftmost corner, the Tableau public X file has been downloading, and downloading start, and you can wait a minute. It's take about 13 to 15 minutes to be downloaded in your PC. So your downloading is begin automatically. If it is doesn't begin, then you can click try again, that it will start downloading. And you can see this video is very amazing. You can subscribe channel for more such type of videos. You can see each step is explained very well, and you can easily install this Tableau public applications in your PC. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you are facing any problem, you can comment this video and we'll answer you. And you can see the downloading is starting, and it will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and you can see there is 20-25 minutes left, and the downloading is under the process of completion. When this downloading will complete now, and the next step is we have to install this. So it really take minutes, and now the downloading is completed. Now you can click on show in folder, so it will showing in a downloading folder. So when you find this Tableau application, and so click this, double click on this, and installation is starting. So when this, it will take few minutes to be installing in your PC. So wait until it will be showing in your PC. So let's see, it will taking time. So installs, welcome to the Tableau. It means we are installing, where this first step is to choose agree with the agreement, agree with the term and conditions the Tableau application has. And the second condition is given is either you have to download some features of this. So I'm not choosing this, so I'm lefting this. and the next step I will have to install. Click the install button. So let's see, I'm clicking on install button and installation is starting. Now it will take few minutes to be installed in your PC, so it will taking time, so please wait until it install in your PC. Now you can see the installing is nearby completion, so it is taking time, guys. So you should have to be strong internet in your PC. So I will recommend that you have strong internet connection. Let's see what will happen. It is nearby completion. So let's see what will happen. Installations of Tableau Public is completed now, and soon the interface of Tableau Public is open. It will take some time because installing is loading, and so now you can see the interface open. So first we have to sign up with Tableau Public. So again, go to the product and then Tableau Public. Go to the Tableau Public again. So let's see, sign up. Now I am sign up with my email so that it will be accessible. So I'm entering my data. So let's see what will happen. So the next step is password and then confirm and then the country. So fill the form as it will require you. So now I am setting my password and then confirm my password, and the next step is choose your country. I am choosing my country is Pakistan, and then click agreement and then recapture. So now recapture. Now the chimney is off. Now click the chimney is where is it rather than verify. Now my account is created on Tableau. So you can see my account is opening here, and I am getting the same interface as in Tableau. So now test the file with Tableau Public is working or not. So first of all you have to create a text file here. So I am finding text document and click it. Now I am writing test. So and then I am writing here I am hero. So let's save this. So now save this file, and now we have to open this file through Tableau. So open the Tableau, click text file, choose your text file which is created right now. So I am choosing my text file, and it will loading. Soon the interface of our text file is. Now click the sheet button, so it will go to the worksheet. So move text toward the rows. So I am drawing graph on Tableau. So you can see the only one dimension is not enough, so you should have two dimension for drawing any table, any graph, any whatever you want. So I am choosing new text document in columns. So now we have two dimensions. So we can draw a graph. So you can see the graph is drawing, and you can see I am drawing a circle. So this is our circle graph. If you want to save this file, save to the public, click save to the public and it will signing in. So let's sign it as your mail and as your password you have set. So after this you can save this file. So guys, if you really like this video, and then subscribe this channels for more such type of video. So I am appreciating that you are really supporting me to be a subscriber, as the views as well as comment as a like. So like this video and subscribe my channel for more such type of videos. Thanks.